Exceptional design, enjoy mirror finish, classic look and professional performance. Aluminum encapsulated base heats quickly and spreads heat evenly, eliminating hot spots. Premium cooking, stainless steel cooking surface does not discolor, react with food or alter flavors. Measurement markings for ease of use, drip-free pouring, and flavor lock lid. Exceptional handling, cool grip handles are solid stainless steel riveted handles that stay cool on the stove top and provide a safe solid grip. Clean up, dishwasher safe for an easy clean up. Lifetime warranty, refer to user manual for troubleshooting steps and questions surrounding warranty policies. This product is BPA free. The kitchens of France were the inspiration behind the elegant Cuisinart chef's classic stainless cookware collection. Our 10 skillet is induction ready and features stainless steel and pure aluminum encapsulated in the base for fast and even heating. Features: induction ready vertical bar mirror finish. Classic looks professional performance. Vertical bar aluminum encapsulated base heats quickly and spreads heat evenly. Eliminates hot spots. Top reviews from the United States. Purchased the 10 a year ago. This pan is for everyday use. It's perfect for frying or scrambling a couple eggs or sautéing a good-sized onion. It's very sturdy and looks good. The lids to the 6 quarts and 8 quarts pots in this line, which I also love, fit perfectly on the 10 fry pan. The handle truly does stay cool during normal stovetop use. It's important to use some kind of oil when cooking in this pan, if you want to avoid sticking. I personally have no problem using butter. I use butter all the time in my cooking and no one in my family suffers weight problems. BTW.